Crash courses. Today's crash course is on the Mariana Trench and the unique creatures that live far below the surface. Like that guy. Ooh, it looks like he's fishing. And he brought his own flashlight.
Sir, that's an anglerfish, which can live up to a mile deep in the ocean where there's absolutely no light. And the research subs that can go down there are crazy expensive.
Did you know that some of the first deep sea explorers used what was called a bathysphere? And do you know what's not expensive, Sandra?
Me, your intern.
No, you silly goose. Old bathtubs.
Sir, you are not thinking of going down in that thing. Are you?
I sure wasn't, but I am now. I'm going to go a mile down the ocean in my homemade bathysphere.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
Sandra, you're such a joker. But first, here's today's Fast Facts. Fact number 1. The Mariana Trench is actually a place where the Earth's surface is torn by one section of the surface, pushing down under another section. Number 2. The deepest known point in any of the oceans is called the Challenger Deep, which is in the Mariana Trench. It is over 36,000 feet deep. And number 3. Scientists have found living things at these depths where they thought nothing could survive. Well, to the ocean. Ta-ta. Sandra, I'm now starting my 1-mile descent into the deep, dark depths of the ocean. Hey, I've already gone 50 feet. Uh-oh, I'll fix that.
Sir, you're never going to make it a mile down in that thing.
Sandra, never underestimate the power of duct tape. 100 feet. Only 5,180 more to go. Hey, what's that? Is that my anglerfish? Nope, that's a sub. Ah! Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.